Today, we will tour 19134 West Pierson Street in Litchfield Park, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this beautiful home, perfectly situated on a desirable corner lot, offering both charm and convenience. Notice the inviting curb appeal, highlighted by low-maintenance desert landscaping, designed to complement the home's clean and modern aesthetic. Step inside and experience an open, airy layout, accentuated by tall doors, high ceilings, and neutral paint tones. Large windows fill the home with natural light, creating a warm and comfortable atmosphere throughout. Located in a growing West Valley neighborhood, this home combines peaceful living with everyday convenience. You'll be close to nearby parks, shopping, dining, and entertainment, with quick access to Loop 303 and I-10 for an easy commute. At the heart of the home is a stunning kitchen, a true centerpiece, featuring a large center island with bar seating, sleek stone countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious walk-in pantry. Other features of this home include an internal laundry, fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the carpeted living room, offering the perfect space for entertaining guests or relaxing after a long day. The primary suite is bright and generously sized, complete with plush carpet, and an ensuite bathroom featuring a walk-in shower, a linen closet, and modern finishes. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Outside, you'll find an expansive backyard with artificial turf and decorative rock. This space is both stylish and low maintenance, perfect for weekend gatherings, barbecues, or simply soaking up the sunshine. Don't miss the chance to experience this bright, beautifully maintained home. Schedule your tour today